Once we've created our composition, you will see on the composition window I have the composition area described as this very dark area. Remember, you can see how your composition is being viewed here in this list. You've got the option to do fit, so you can make it larger. You can obviously make it smaller by using the different options selected here, so 100%. We also have the quality of the composition you're going to be viewing. If you find your machine is moving slower, you can actually change the resolution down just to give you a lower resolution preview. My resolution is at the moment set to auto. My resolution at the moment is set to full. It's actually being displayed using the auto feature. Now you can change the resolution at any time if you find your compositions are running slowly. My composition settings can be reselected from the composition settings menu. I'm going to add one of these images into my composition. I'm going to select this one. I can see its current size and I can see it's larger than my composition size. Now that's okay because I want to do a little bit of animation with this particular graphic. Now I can drag it either into the layers area, will automatically center my image in my composition. If I just change the view a moment, make it a little bit smaller, you can see now that the bounding box for my image is actually larger than my composition. Now this is fine because what I want to do, I want to actually animate this layer. I want to animate it so that it moves and zooms slightly over time. So we're going to be using the animation properties to control how this image on this layer is displayed.